What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. This is vlog number, I don't even know anymore. Shout out to my boy Kevin again. Today we got a bunch going on. We did a track pack on this one, doing a roof wrap right now. We got full front going on the Type R, track pack on the Z06 C8, chrome delete on the Model S. And yeah, this is an old wrap we did too. This one's about 4 years old, did some touch-ups on it. I got into an accident, so we just rewrapped some pieces, but it came out sick. Door jams and all. But today should be fun. We got a lot going on. What's up, Kevin? Hey, come here, check this out. We're gonna help Hi drop in this C8 windshield tint. He needs our help, so give him a hand. I got you, come on. Sometimes these windshields can get a little difficult for a couple of reasons. Just how tight the dash is, sometimes when the mirror is, and the pillars too, as well as the size of it. Sometimes, you know, we don't have the biggest installers with the biggest wingspans, but it's all good. That's how we work here, we just help each other out, so. Just like that. I'm just kidding. You could have asked me to move, bro. It's okay, we family like that. That's it. You wanna check out the Jaguar? Come on. We got a lot going on actually. So we just finished bagging this, putting new wheels on. It's one of our personal cars too. Sick. We love our old schools, man. And we got this Jaguar. This is getting a full front PPF at first. They were doing a partial. Didn't make much sense to us. You know, partials they work, but we try to push most of our customers to do a full front. It's just more beneficial that way. But yeah, we got that. And then we're gonna be starting a wrap on this Defender as well. So we'll check it all out.
Seth, what you doing to your Tesla today?
We're bagging my Tesla. Oh, you hear me? We're bagging my Tesla today. We started it yesterday, but we got wheels, painted calipers coming, bags, full wrap, a couple light mods like fog lights and stuff like that. But yeah, getting all this going. It's a lot of work, but definitely something to look forward to. She should be pretty nice when she's all done. Hopefully the vision comes out as planned, but
that's the original. Out with the old and with the new, or newer. Slightly used. không nguyên quá, man. This side done. We do the other side. You wanna tell them what type of wrap color, or you wanna kind of keep it a secret?
Yeah, we're gonna wrap this car in a Nazatech khaki green. I've been wanting to do that color for a while. Been waiting for a customer to do that color for a while. Nobody's done it, so here we are. It should look super good with the bronze TEs.
Kind of look like this, right?
A little lighter, more just a flat gloss color, like a sparkly like that.
Got the one side gray, one side bronze. Bag is gonna be on the ground. He's gonna be sitting on the ground. Probably later we'll do a little video on this thing. You just bagged it and put it on some BBS's. Yes, sir. I don't even know what type of car this is. 635 CSI. Yeah, we've been having this for half a year now, and it's just been bagged. This is super sick though. I really like that fitment though. Sheesh.
Later that same evening.
Sheesh. So what we got going on right now?
We just finished installing all the suspension parts. Now we just gotta hook up the tank. Well, set up the tank, set up the compressors, run the airlines. We're waiting on some more parts to come in, so probably move around that, see how much, what other stuff we could do. But it's coming. So.
Dang, those seats look good though. Oh, that fitment. Check out the rears. Got a little bit of tucking going on there. Okay. Damn. Yeah, this thing's gonna be sick once it's finished. This side's gray. This thing's gonna be super sick. It's like one of my favorite angles right here.
I don't know what this is, but it's kind of hot.
Look at this fitment too. Look how close we are. That is super close to whatever that is, control arm or something. Dang. That's fitment right there. That is fitment.
The next day.
What are we doing today, Seth?
Alright guys, today we're gonna mount and balance the tires on the TEs. Got sensors for it. Got everything. Thanks. Shout out to my boys who take care of me on my birthday. Not today, but I know that I'm good at the money. Oh, got some TEs. Oh.
Gotta buckle it up, Seth. Gotta stay strapped in, you know? Hi, bro.
Hi. Take her home, baby. Fo. My fo. Make sure all your kids don't grow. Take her home. What you know, 45.
That's our boss.
Alright, check out my seat, y'all. I'm gonna be sitting here. Oh! Let's do it! Seth with his baby.
My children.
Where we at?
We're at the tire shop, aka NVS. Is the acronym?
What are these run, bro?
100. TV 37.
Where my stocks at?
No.
Seth, what we got? What we got?
Another piece to the puzzle that we were waiting on.
Ooh.
bunch of random stuff. But I don't even know why we unboxed it.
Bro.
Wires.
Oh, the airline's in here? Okay. We gonna need it though. All the stuff here, the lines, the hoses, whatever. Really nice though. Nice. Going in this thing. Oh yeah, check this out. Painted the brakes. Custom brakes. The yellow is gonna match, and then we're gonna have a number thing right here for the track. Got the wheels back, tires are mounted, and it looks sick. Got a little bit of stretch on there. We're about to test fit them right now. Putting it on. We're gonna lower it and see how it looks. Dang. You like it, Seth?
Yeah, of course. The plan's coming together. The whole plan's starting to come together. It's one thing to have it in your mind, but to execute it, hopefully it works out how you think. I think we're on the right track though.
So what do we need? What else do we need?
We gotta finish the wrap. Still gotta set up all the management. What else? Some decals, the livery, if you want to call it that. That's about it. Well, and then do some custom mounting for like the remote and stuff. In due time.
2,000 years later.
Hey, Seth, what we doing today?
We need to finish this car as far as suspension, but we're gonna just make some small adjustments on the air suspension. A couple leaks, but some easy fixes, nothing crazy.
What we do off camera though?
What do we do off camera today?
What we do off camera?
A lot of stuff. I mean, all the wiring, all the airlines. We just got to make sure it's not leaking. And there's a couple places, but now we just got to tighten everything up and then tuck the wires. But a lot. Ran the controller through the firewall. Again, all the wiring, compressors, fuses. I think the last thing we got to do is kind of find a place to mount the remote. A good spot, but we don't know where yet. So.
All right, check this out. This air tank set up with the compressors. All right, Seth, what's the problem right now?
It's leaking, bro. It's leaking air in here. So we got to figure it out. And I'm stumped right now.
We've been sitting here trying to figure this out for like the past hour. Yeah, no good, man. No good.
The crazy thing is, I think when it's in there, like it pushes, stretches it. And it was, because it wasn't leaking as fast yesterday.
I think because like the weight of the car was on it, and it was like kind of closing.
Sealing it. Might just try that. Extend it out a little bit more so it holds tighter. All right, let's try that. Here, take this away from me. Take it away from me.
All right, we might have fixed our problem. We don't know yet. We're about to put on the wheels and test it out. But we just pretty much just tightened the heck out of it. Hope for the best. We kind of closed the gap even more. And let's hope air doesn't leak out of it. So do you think it's gonna work?
I really hope so, Kevin. I really hope so. No. Really, either look into it, break it down for real, or order new parts. But
Yeah, and we don't want to do that. We're trying to do everything we can right now to fix this leak. It's just the thing is, it's just one strut, one airbag. That's like the.
If it sits on the wheels, it doesn't leak that much. But that's not reliable, so we're not gonna do it that way.
We will see. Do you think it'll work out, Dev?
I know it will.
He knows it will. So it will. Dang, bro. It's still leaking. Yeah, it's still leaking.
Pressure when it sits, it's not.
So once it sits on it, did it stop? Did it stop going down?
No, it's still leaking.
Still leaking.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. They're not really fine. You just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Dang. Soon. We're close. We're close. I think what we're gonna have to do is take the strut apart and the airbag apart, or we're just gonna have to get a new one. But yeah, we'll see. Hopefully, it's just like a gasket or like a seal that's gone bad. But hopefully it's nothing too bad. I think that's the end of this vlog for today. I think the next vlog you'll see this fixed, and then probably we'll start wrapping this car too. Alright, bet. This is AFS. Stay tuned for the next one. We out.